Hello friends, my name is Aati Gupta and you are watching my YouTube channel Education for Kids. Body System Introduction to the Muscular System. Muscular System. In this video, we will be covering main functions of muscular system, the 5 major properties, the 5 types of muscle movement, 3 types of muscles, how all of this work together to make up the muscular system. 5 major properties. Excitable and irritable. This means that they are capable of receiving stimulation and responding to stimulation. Contractible. After receiving stimulation, they are capable of contracting or shortening. Extensible. Muscles can be stretched without damage. Elasticity. A muscle is able to return to its original resetting shape and length after being extended or contracted. Adaptability. The muscular system is adaptable in that it can be changed in response to how it is used. 5 types of movement. Adduction. Moving a body towards the midline of the body. Abduction. Moving a body part away from the body. Flexion. Bending a joint to decrease the angle between 2 bones or 2 body parts. Extension. Straightening and extending of joint to increase the angle between 2 bones or body parts. Rotation. Rotation involves moving a body part around an axis. 3 types of muscles. All muscles move, voluntary and involuntary. Voluntary muscles or straightened muscles are those which works according to the one's desire. Involuntary muscles, which are also known as smooth muscles, are the muscles in the human body that act without conscious control. Cardiac muscle. Involuntary muscle. These muscles form the wall of heart and contracts to circulate the blood. Smooth muscles. Involuntary muscles found in organ and organ systems such as digestive or respiratory system. Skeleton muscle. Voluntary muscle attached to the skeleton and provide the skeleton with the ability to move. Supportive structures. Tendon, fascia. Attached to a muscle to a bone, attach muscle to muscle. Supportive structures. Tendons and fascia work together with the muscles which create the muscular system necessary for movement. Did you know is very interesting section. 6 skeletal muscles around the eye control its movements. Your body contains more than 600 muscles. Muscles are made up of special cells called muscle fibers. The smallest muscles in the body are in your inner ear. Muscles make up 40% of your total body weight. The hardest working muscle in the body is heart. Most of the heat produced in your body comes from muscle contraction. Muscles usually works in pair. If you like the way as I am teaching, so like it and subscribe it my YouTube channel Education for Kids. Keep watching. Thank you so much.